Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello, my name is Shule. I love decorating, creating and inspiring like-minded people like you. I would love to have you into my YouTube family, so why don't you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you would be notified when I upload another inspirational video. Before I start, I'm so excited to mention one of my videos hit 10k, over 10k views. I'm so excited. If you haven't watched that video, I will put a link below so you can go ahead and watch it after the video. I uploaded last March and it was a collaboration hosted by Sharon. She's so fabulous. I thoroughly recommend that you go and watch that video. I'm refreshing my home and getting ready for spring, and I thought I would take you along so you can help me to decide the final look, and currently I'm working on my bedroom. The jewelry box and the lamp is staying for the first two looks, and I will play around with the other items. The purple vase is from HomeSense and the berry picks from Christmas clearance, but I love them so much so I use them throughout the year. I tend to keep everything in a tray so it seems clutter free, everything has a place, and also it's very easy to dust as well when I'm cleaning. My Mystylemycolours perfume is a Christmas gift from one of my lovely students, and since it's the perfect color, I keep it on display. On the other side of this mirror chest of drawers from eBay, I have a motivational quote and I change it twice a year, and I really believe the effects of surrounding myself with positive quotes that I see regularly. So this is the first look, and obviously my style is glam, so I really like purple, sparkle, mirror, silver, so I achieved that in this look. For the second look, I used mirrored riser instead of a tray, which was only £2 from a thrift store. And in this tall white vase, I'm using another Christmas pick, which I love, along with the other glass purple items. And on the other side, I switched the quote as well as the frame, and it's very motivational and powerful to see it every day. So this is my second look. And for my third and final look, I will be using my new jewelry organizer from HomeSense that I bought in the clearance. I didn't move everything yet because I'm still deciding whether or not to keep the box. I kept things to the minimum in this look as the box is already big, and I matched it with the gallery candle holders to create an elegant look. And it's really useful to have this jewelry box. So I think I'm going to keep it because it has so many compartments. It's really going to be handy when I finally move everything in. I would love it if you share your favorite one with me. Please leave a comment below to tell me whether the first look, second look or the third look was your favorite. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it inspirational. If you did, please subscribe to my channel so I can continue to inspire you more. And until next time, bye bye.